Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OMVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, some updates here need to be made. First update, just a little house cleaning here, going to get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but it's not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, talked about 27 cents as resistance, and you can see the price did get above it this morning. And then the follow-up to that rule is then you want to see it act as support. And sure enough, you can see that the price just hovered right around that area the remainder of the day. But to give credit where credit is due, the bulls did a good job of holding up above the 27 cent mark. So that is definitely the ideal level. Meaning Clay won't make this look the best. If the price can stay up above the point or 27 cents, that would be a great sign of power on the bulls' part. Now, don't get me wrong. The price falls below it, I'm not saying everything's totally ruined or anything like that, but if this same price action can continue going forward and that level holds, like I said, that would be a great sign of power. From the big picture of things, as I talked about in past videos, it's all about the purple line right here. So if you just care about the grand scope of everything, and Clay, I just want to gauge the health of the overall move, the easiest way to look at that and use is that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword moving, so as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving its way upwards, and as long as the price stays above the purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? At this point in time, the party stopped today up there at 29 cents, so 29 cents, next key level of resistance to keep an eye on. But as I've said in the past, it's really all about, a nice little free ad there, it's all about just building those higher bases, and nobody should understand that better than OMVS people, because as I scrunch things up, you can just see over time, all it's been is higher and higher lows. So yeah, pullbacks happen, but healthy pullbacks is the name of the game, and this one has had many of those. So, if the price does pull back a little bit more, just focus on these stair steps, and as long as the stair steps keep on building, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.